There you go.
Yeah.
And then hit next. So far, so good.
Okay.
All right. So this is the fun part. It's easy for you. What is your business category?
I'm florist.
Dog sitting. Florist. So let's type in
Oh,
florist.
wow. That's
There we
so
go.
much easier than it used to be.
Done. Easy.
Next.
Yes. I know that you believe you bring joy with your flowers and it's all about celebration, but according to Google, you're a florist, okay? Right, so now you're going to try put in your street address. And bearing in mind, this is in a video and I can blur this out if you want, but equally it's also in a video so people can buy flowers from you. You can choose.
Yeah.
And this will then add your address to Google Maps as a business. So this is how we go, hey, magic word, and I won't say it because Google's always in the background in this house. Show me blah, blah, blah. Yeah.
Okay, so the address is in. Next.
Yeah, hit next. Is this your business? Oh, got some competitors who've already set it up. No, none of those. But watch out.